everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a video about transforming from this to that, looking dull and ill. Let's get transformed from this to that. So I've just moisturized my skin with Cetaphil because my skin is very dry and winter is coming, so it's already dry as well. So yep, I'm quickly applying my primer now. For primer I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. I just love to place a dot and then dab it and rub it. I've learned a new technique of rubbing it and then dabbing it. I don't know how, but it really works. It's a Korean technique and I think I learned from Shreya Jain videos. Yeah. Wait for some time before the primer is set because there should be a time between a foundation and a primer, so keep in mind that. So when the primer is setting, we are going to make our shade. Okay, so I'm using Infallible 24-hour in shade 140 Golden Beige. So I'm not going to use this one only, I'm going to mix it. So yeah, little pump, small pump of this up. And this shade of Maybelline 332 Golden Caramel is actually a perfect shade for me when there was no winter. So yeah, I'm going to just mix this two to make my perfect shade. This is too much fun of making two foundations. Yeah, you can see. I don't know how it's going to look, but yes, I'm trying out. I hope it's going to look good on me. Tap, tap, tap. Dabbing technique is useful for applying anything. I think if I need more, I can apply it. So I'm using my CAL sponge. It's not damp. Should I use it? Skip it. We can use brush. Sometimes I like to use sponge, but sometimes I like to use brush. And I don't want to go and dab my sponge. So आलस बुरी बला है, क्या करें, कभी कभी आता है. Nice shade altogether. It's actually matching my skin. Not bad. What do you guys say? Mixing foundation works for you as well? So I used matte foundation mixed with Infallible, and the both are very good foundation, and mixing it together actually works, yeah. Try it if you are having both of the foundation. Okay, so now I'm quickly fixing my foundation, not fully, but on my crease and near my mouth, yeah, a little bit. Now it's time for contour, and I love using faces. Yeah, faces. The drawback of this palette is not having mirror, so I have to have my own mirror with it. Yeah, this is a drawback. blush. Okay, so for today I really need a peachy look. I'm using my palette for Mars. Oh wow, beautiful peachy color. YouTuber life is sometimes difficult because you don't know if focus is on you or not. By the way, I've skipped the concealer today because I'm not feeling it applying it, so yeah. You can do this whatever, like skipping something that you don't require at that time. But all through concealer is good. What do you guys suggest? I should apply concealer? I'm not feeling. Or should I? I've already applied the eyeshadows. Let's skip it. Oh, now it's looking good. After so many of layers of eyeshadow, it's looking good now. Okay, so now I'm applying a dark shade with the same brush. Only on my crease, okay? You guys can also do the same. Only in my crease. Not bad, I think it's looking good. Doing the same thing in my other eye. So I'm using a Maybelline palette, nude palette for my eyebrows. I am doing this literally for a month now. Yes, I have some brows product, but I don't know why I love using this. I just used a little bit of product. And it actually works really good. Yep, that's it for eyebrows. And I should apply some glitter or some shimmer on my inner side. I'm doing. I just did my eyebrows and apply some shimmer underneath my not underneath my eye, just corner of my eyes and underneath of my eyebrows, and yeah, that's it. So however this eyebrow is left. Oh wow, this looks good. Okay, so today I'm going to use another eyeshadow as my highlighter because I love this eyeshadow as a highlighter. Can you believe eyeshadow work as a highlighter? Okay, so this is right here, and oh my god, this is beautiful. Really, it is. Like, wow. Ooh, you can see. Oh wow. Now it's time for applying some mascara, and yes, it is Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline, and this product is going to be reviewed on my channel. Okay. Oh wow. So now it's time for my lipstick, and you guys don't believe it, maybe you do, but this lipstick named Hilary Rhonda matte lipstick. So this is actually a great nude lipstick for me. I love it. It smells like coffee. I bought this lipstick for ₹80 only, obviously on the street. I really love this lipstick color. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful nude brownie shade for me. And yeah, So this is the final look after doing all the makeup and transforming from this to that. And I hope you like this video. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Bye bye.